So we have just identified our main idea from the passage. We identified what this whole passage was mostly about, okay? It wasn't just about a community. It was about the people that play different parts to make a community. So we identified our main idea. And next, it wants us to identify the key details that support it. Remember, just think of this as my tabletop and these are my legs. I'm supporting it now. So we already found one key detail, that bus drivers help people get to school or work. That supports my main idea. So that one will go here. There we go. I have my first main idea detail down. Okay, this supports this. Now I need two more that support this, and those are what you are going to find independently. Okay, you just have to look in the text and ask yourself, what supports people playing a different part in a community? Okay, so lastly, well, you have your turn and talk. One key detail is bus drivers help people get to school or work. How does this key detail support the main idea? And that is very fitting because we identified that as our key detail. So you tell me, how does that support our main idea? I kind of talked a little bit about it. And lastly, our short response, which I am saying this so repetitively, please use the race strategy. I will post the visual again so you can see exactly what the race strategy is. But every time you answer a short response, you should include the restated question, the answer to that question. You should cite evidence from the text, and then you should explain yourself, okay? That is the perfect short response, and that is how you should be answering every short response. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read the question. Choose another key detail you wrote in the chart. How does it support the main idea? So I need to restate the question. I'm going to say, another key detail I wrote in the chart was, I'm just rearranging the question to make it a statement. So another key detail I wrote in the chart was, and you just tell me what other key detail did you find in the text that you've put in that chart. Okay, you're really just looking up in your chart to get this one. Next, so we got our restate here, and this is your answer. You're answering the question. Now you need to cite evidence, okay? In the text, it says, what did it say about that detail you chose? And then lastly, how does it support the main idea? This supports the main idea because, and you're just explaining now, okay? Please use these sentence starters. I'm giving them to you for a reason. Some people are not using them and only writing about one sentence, okay? Please use the sentence starters that are provided. Okay, that is the last of this, and don't forget to check your writing. Check for capitals, periods, all those type of things, spelling errors. But if you need any help, just message me. I'm free for a couple periods, and I would be more than happy to help.